Hi, I am Hiral. Welcome to our channel Computer Saarthi. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello children. Today we are going to learn about Windows. In Windows we are going to learn about desktop background and screensaver. What is desktop background? How we can change the desktop background? What is screensaver and how can we change the screensaver? Okay, let's start. First we are going to learn about the operating system. MS Windows, that is Microsoft Windows, is an operating system. An operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between the computer and the user. The operating system that we are using in our laptop or the PCs, the operating system is a one kind of system software. You all are aware with the system software, right? That because you already learned in the previous standards. Okay, the operating system is a one kind of system software, and the system software, that is the operating system, is a bridge. We can say the interface means the bridge between the computer and the user, right? It connects the user and the computer. Next one, it also manages the resource of the computer system and does many other things. If you are talking about the operating system, then operating system also manage the resources of the computer system and does many other things like if we want to draw something in the computer, right, then for that we open the paint software in the computer system and then draw it and then save it. The whole this process is done by operating system. Now let us take a look on the desktop. Windows desktop is the screen that appears when we switch on the computer. After switching on the computer, we saw the first screen on the monitor. That first screen known as the Windows desktop. The background picture of the Windows desktop is the desktop background or the wallpaper. After opening the screen of the monitor, we saw the one picture onto that screen. That particular picture known as the wallpaper, as our phone also having a lock screen wallpaper, home screen wallpaper, right? The same way also computer having its own lock screen wallpaper and the home screen wallpaper. But in terms of computer language, we call that a desktop. That is lock screen desktop background, and we can say that the home screen desktop background. Okay. Desktop background is a colorful picture or a simple monocolor screen. We all are aware with the wallpaper that we are setting on our smartphones, right? Whole lock screen and home screen. Same way desktop background is also one kind of picture. Let us take a look that how can we change the desktop background. This operating system is a Windows 10 operating system. This is the latest one operating system. In this you can see the start button over here, extreme left of the taskbar. We just have to click on it. Here we can see the start button over here at the extreme left of the taskbar. Just click on this start button. After clicking on the start button, we have to just click on this setting option over here. That is a second last option. Just click on it. After click on it, we can see the setting window over here. In the setting window, we just need to choose this personalization option that is displayed over here. Just click on it. After clicking on it, we can see the personalization window on the screen. In here, the background is by default selected because we can see the blue line over here. That means we can say that the background tab is already selected over here. Here we can change our desktop, that is our desktop background. Okay. For that, first we have to choose that which kind of a background I want to choose. Here we having a picture option, solid color option and slideshow option. Just picture option over here, I just have to select one picture. Just click on browse. After clicking on the browse, select the one option, one picture that you want to use as a desktop background. I am selecting this one over here. Choose picture. You can see the preview of that desktop background over here, that how it looks. Minimize and take a look. The desktop background is changed. We learn about how we can change the desktop background. Let's learn about the screensaver. A screensaver is a program that displays the moving pictures or graphics on the computer system. स्क्रीन सेवर एक इस तरह का प्रोग्राम है कि जो हिलते धुलते पिक्चर्स को, जो ग्राफिक्स होता है उसको कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के अंदर यानी कि हमें मॉनिटर के ऊपर डिस्प्ले करता है. It starts when the computer system is left idle for some time without performing any operation. Means we left our computer system for idle for some time. Let's take an example like I am not using my computer. My computer is switched on, but I am not using for it 30 minutes or for 10 minutes. At that time, my computer system is left idle. In that time, screen saver is going to be start. Okay. Let us take a look on the practical that how can we change or how can we set the screen saver. Same way that we already done in the previous one, that is how that desktop background changing. Just click on this start button. Click on this setting option. After click on in here, we can say the find bar over here. Just click on it and type screen saver. After typing the screen saver, we can say the first option over here, that is change screen saver. Simply click on it. After clicking on it, we can see the window of screen saver setting. By default selected is none. That means I am not setting any screen saver yet. But now we are going to set the screen saver. For that I am going to use bubbles. After selecting the bubble, you can see the preview over here. Right? It looks like something this. But I don't like this. So I am going to select the 3D text. After selecting the 3D text, you can see the preview over here. But I want to change this 3D text. That means I want to change the text. I don't want to see the time that is displayed over here by default. For that, just click on the setting. After setting, we can see the window of 3D text setting. Okay, in this just you have to select the custom text dialog box. I am selecting the custom text dialog box, and here we can change the dialog box. The data that is already by default written is screen saver, but I am going to write here is Windows 10. By clicking on this choose font button, we can change the font of our text. I am going to choose this. I am going to choose this Shruti option over here. In the next one, we can change the font style of our font. That I want to use the regular style, and you can see the preview over here that we are choosing bold, oblique, that means the italic or bold italic. Okay. After selecting your favorite font and the font style, just click on OK. After clicking on OK, we can change the rotation type, that ratio option over here. Right, and just click on the OK button, that is over here. After clicking over button, just click on apply. After clicking on apply, just click on OK. In this way, we can change the screen saver. Thank you.
Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.